Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me MrGim here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have spent another wasteful money on an iPhone dock. So this time around it's iPhone Lightning dock. It's different from any other third party brand. This is from Apple itself. And right now, because this thing has been launched since 2015 or even earlier, since the day that they actually changed all the iPhone using a lightning dock. Not very sure about the actual date. Till now, iPhone 12 are still using a lightning dock. So in the back of my mind, I was thinking, why not just get a dock that can be able to charge and stand at the same time. Aesthetically looks quite pleasing too. Also, be able to use throughout all the iPhone series, and this is the iPhone charging dock. The packaging box itself is kind of small, and inside the box there's just a manual and also a warranty card. Because this design is been 2015, so if they were to do anything right now in 2020, I believe that the manual will be much more thinner. And let's have a look at this gold design. To me, this seems a bit like rose goldish, and I seen from a few videos that there are two versions of this gold. One is more yellowish gold, and this is the 2016 version, which is more bronze gold kind. They are available in 4 colors: one black, space gray, silver, and the gold that I have. They used to have the rose gold, but I think they have already discontinued. I bet you can find it on eBay or Amazon if you want the rose gold color. I must say that it is really small and quite handy. The bottom of the iPhone dock has this rubber feet to prevent it from sliding around the desk. And at the back there's this 3.5mm headphone jack alongside with a lightning charging port. Of course, some of you might be thinking, what's the point of the 3.5mm headphone jack when you can already buy the AirPod Pro and use it wirelessly? Well, my reason is recently because there are more and more phone calls, and because of this pandemic, everyone is using phone a lot, and when you are using phone a lot, that means that battery drainage is much more faster. Of course, when you on your Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi, everything, your battery will drain even faster. That's part of the reason when I'm at home, I will try to charge my phone while using a wired earpiece, so that I don't have to worry of charging 2 items at once. While doing so, it also looks aesthetically nice. While you're on a FaceTime, you don't even need to hold up your phone or lean against anything. Alright guys, that is it for my video. Do let me know what you think about this lightning dock. Is it too expensive for you? Would you even not considering buying? Let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, make sure you slap a like button, subscribe to be my friend, ask me any questions in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye.